Hey Deanna, it's Miss Banks. I'm going to read off of the spelling words for you. If I'm going a little too fast, you can always pause it. First word I'm going to start with is scant. It accompanies with scant regard for the safety of future generations. Scant. Next word is scoff. Sometimes people will scoff at your ideas simply because they did not come up with their ideas first. Next one is scab. I have a scab on my knee from when I fell. Scab. Next one is scale. I step on a scale to weigh myself. Scale. Next word is scent. My favorite scent is vanilla. Scent. Next word is scary. The monsters under my bed are very scary. Scary. Next word is scam. The credit card people were running a scam to try to get your money. Scam. Next word is scarf. In the winter, I like to use a scarf to keep my neck warm. Scarf. Next word is scene. I like to watch the same scene out of a movie. Scene. And the last word is scare. Gosh, that gave me a scare. Scare. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you write.